Hello Master, this is a MacBook Pro 2022 14-inch. It's all it do. It's got only 5 volt and 0.4 amp. It's a 2022 14-inch MacBook Pro. It has been liquid damaged. This is the back side of the board. Here on this part. Here liquid damaged. Maybe you can see some more here. So on this caps I had some liquid damaged. Here too. And if you go up, here too, I had some liquid damage, and there. I don't know which part I should start exactly in this. I have no schematics, no board view. If you have something you can give me, I will be very happy. Thank you.